literally not lying. Here's the box full of every single one of the items I bought. This box is so heavy. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Naledi, and today I actually wanted to share with you guys a bunch of stuff that I bought from Yellow Sub Trading. I've got the box right over here behind me full of basically a year's supply of clothes. No, actually I'm lying, but if what's in here was my capsule wardrobe, I genuinely actually would not mind. Honestly, this video was not sponsored by them or anything like that. I just decided to show you guys a couple of things that I bought. I spent almost 3,000 rand, about 2.5 something. So it was like 2,500 and something. I don't know how much exactly it was, but it's over 2.5, which means I basically spent 3,000 rand. So because if I bought two more things that costed 250 rand each, then it would have been 3,000 rand. So yeah, anyway, I bought stuff a week ago or so, but then one of the items did come in the wrong color, so I had to have that returned so that they can bring me the right color. It was a bag that I'm going to show you guys. They were able to collect the wrong colored item and then resend the order as, like, you know, the right color. Everything else was perfectly fine though. The rest of my order was 110% perfect. So I had to contact them and let them know, hey, I think you guys made a mistake over here. You sent me the wrong color. And they were very, very quick, very responsive. One thing that I can say before we even get into the video is the fact that Yellow Sub Trading is very, very good when it comes to how they handle their service delivery. I've ordered things from there before, and every single time the service has been 10 out of 10. I get my stuff the very next day. They're very quick with delivery. They're very responsive in their emails. The website isn't like the easiest website I've ever come across, but it is easy enough for you to find whatever you need. Yellow Sub Trading is a super great place for you to find some really affordable fashion, affordable pieces of clothing. Another thing is that they have a wide variety of styles. Whatever you're looking for, you will find on Yellow Sub Trading. So many different colors, so many different styles. If you're looking for your Y2K, if you're looking for your more minimalist, if you're looking for your more resort wear type stuff, they have bathing suits. I would suggest you check it out. You might find something that you like. A lot of stuff does sell out, especially a lot of their trendy pieces, which is why if you see something on the Yellow Sub Trading website and it's trendy and you want it, buy it now. Don't wait till tomorrow, because I promise you it will be sold out. And sometimes they do restock, but sometimes they don't. I just want to show you guys the first item I got. So this is actually what I'm most excited about. This boob tape is about 5 meters. I've never used boob tape in my life. I decided to go with this color. They have black, they have brown, and then they have nude. So if you're looking for it on the website, it is called the 5 meter adhesive push-up roll boob tape. Yeah, in the color brown. I got mine in the color brown. This is 60 rand. So I really needed like a really nice crop jacket that I can wear with either like a body glove jumpsuit type vibe, or like a pair of denim jeans. And I was able to find this crop jacket over here. I don't know if you guys can see that properly, right? So it's like an oversized-ish kind of fit. I know that they had this in the color khaki. This one is called the drawstring zip crop puffer. So yeah, it's got like a puffer jacket kind of style, and it's got pockets in front, like actual real pockets. Like it's not a scam. It's not just for decoration. It's got like these little drawstring thingies over here. With a crop jacket, I feel like it's so important to have like a drawstring option, because sometimes you kind of want that kind of silhouette, you know, of it cinching into the waist a little bit. You don't, you know, it's not always about crop jacket with, you know, just crop jacket and like air underneath for your boobs to breathe. Sometimes you want to suffocate your boobs a little bit, and this provides that suffocation. It is just plain at the back. You can have a look, and the material is kind of like it's not like stockings, guys, but it's like, you know, it's got like holes. Konje, what is it called? The sleeves are stretchy. The material itself is not very stretchy, but I don't think it's necessary for it to be stretchy because it is an oversized look. and that is what the collar looks like. It is a zip up jacket and I really love this. I can pair this with a black jumpsuit. I can already see the vision. I'm gonna make the vision come true. The price of the black puffer jacket is 290 rand. It's very cute, isn't it? Like, it's a cute bag, like it's a cute shape. Earlier on I mentioned that there was an item that I needed to return because it came in the wrong color. It was actually this handbag, right? So this bag actually came in a lighter blue earlier, and obviously I ordered this blue because this blue is like the most beautiful blue you've ever seen in your life. I have a pair of orange shoes that would go so well with this bag. It's a very bright orange, and so when it came in the light blue I was a bit disappointed. I needed to do an exchange, but obviously, again, as I've said, customer service was 10 out of 10. They gave me zero hassles. They collected the wrong color, and very soon after I received the right color in this bag. The only thing that I would change about it is the fact that if you have a look on what it looks like on the website, it says Wang over here. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove those pieces off, and I'll either probably like leave it with an N because, you know, my name is Naledi. As you can see, I'm wearing Naledi on my finger, but the reason why I don't want to keep it on there is because it's not one, right? So I just want it to be either just an N, or I'll just remove all of the letters completely and it's just going to be like this thing alone. Either way, I like the bag completely plain, even without this zipper thing, and it's got a little strap so you can go ahead and do your errands with it. Cute but also functional, practical. Your phone is obviously going to fit in here. Your wallet is nice and spacious on the inside, and it's a nice bag to kind of do your errands but also look cute. And then you take your strap off and you get into a cute outfit, and you can wear the little bag with your, you know, little orange shoes that I'm going to be pairing it with. The name of this bag is the Letter Zipper Chain Shoulder Crossbody Bag. The price of this bag is 180 rand. Bodysuits are essentials in a closet. You need bodysuits in different colors, just like you need denim jeans in different colors. I have this bodysuit over here that I got in the color white. You know, like seamless underwear, it's kind of like that kind of material. It is double layered. Obviously with a white bodysuit like this, like the outfits are endless. There's so many things you can wear with it, and I actually got a pair of jeans to wear with it, and I'm hoping that the jeans are gonna look really nice with this. I want to get this in other colors. The thing about Yellow Sub Trading is because so many people are always shopping on their website, something as simple as a bodysuit like this sells out so quickly. They usually have this bodysuit in different colors. I've seen it in black, I've seen it in nude. So the bodysuit is 119 rand. You guys, as soon as I saw this on the website, this thing was sold out by the end of the day. They had it in two colors. They had it in black and they had it in lime. Okay, as soon as it sold out, my heart was broken. They restocked it a few days later and I was first in line again. This is called the long sleeve sweater knitted set, and it is 280 rand. It's sort of like a ribbed material. It's long sleeve. It goes just over my hips. Wide leg fit. So I'm actually going to get the lime set, and I'm going to get that in a smaller size because I would like that one to be a little bit more form-fitting. When I said I wanted color for the summer, I obviously decided to go with green because, like, why would I go with any other color? This green with a pink bag, like a nice Barbie type pink, or the bag that I just showed you guys because I actually bought it for the bag. Perfect. This is a polka dot sexy long sleeves neck dress. I hope I'm saying that properly. And then it's got like the see-through sleeve type vibe we have going on with the ruched type vibe that we have going on. High stripe things to kind of adjust it. It has a zipper at the back so you can get in and out of it easily. I love this print, obsessed. And obviously it's not the most versatile dress, but that isn't the point. 95 rand. This is called the Snatch Me Up Bandage Waist Trainer. I bought this because I've actually seen people wear this underneath their clothes and it kind of just, you know, cinches in that waist and makes it disappear. I want to try it out. I have tried the trick with an actual waist trainer, like, you know, the normal waist trainer with the clasps in front, and I've seen that it genuinely does work. It makes your waist disappear, and that obviously also now makes your bum just kind of like pop out a bit more. The videos I've seen of people actually trying it on is people who wear it like just before they actually get dressed. So as a normal waist trainer to train your waist in the gym, I don't know how effective it is in comparison to your normal standard waist trainer. I got this in the 4-meter length, 85 rands for 4 meters. I think it's priced differently depending on meters you decide to buy. It's pretty tough. So just like you need your bodysuits as essentials, you also need denim jeans as essentials. These jeans I thought were actually going to come looking a lot more black than this, because when I saw them on the website they did look a bit more black, but they came looking more grayish, like a very dark gray. These are called the high-waisted bottom slit boyfriend jeans. Slit at the bottom, I just want to show you guys on the sides. See, it's got a slit on the side at the bottom. I do kind of wish that I did size down. If I try it on and I show you guys in the crotch area, it's bunching. You know, I don't know how to describe it, but it kind of bunches up in the crotch area, so it's a bit too big for me. I wish I sized down, but I can always find a way around it. I'm just gonna have it tailored, have them take it in by the waist also, because it is a bit loose by the waist. But then also these are things that you deal with jeans anyway. Denim jeans, you kind of have to always expect that there's going to be some sort of adjusting that's going to need to happen so that it fits your body specifically. They're very comfortable. It's not a pair of jeans that, like, you know, kind of choke you up and make you die. The jeans cost 180 rands. I can style these so easily with the bodysuit that I bought, the white bodysuit I showed you, and the bodysuit that I'm about to show you. This is just a normal like black bodysuit, so I needed something that kind of goes over my shoulders a bit, low neck kind of neckline. This is called the short sleeve round neck bodysuit, and it comes in multiple colors. I will definitely be stocking up on every single one of those colors, because bodysuits are one of those essentials in the closet, and I'm so glad I bought one in black, one in white, 2 different styles, perfect for my closet. So versatile, I can wear them with anything all year round. Bodysuits are something that you can layer stuff on top of. The bodysuit is 140 rands. Love the versatility of my order, honestly. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 to me. We all need a pair of leather pants. I have been looking for a good pair of leather pants. For now, I have found a pair of like leather look type pants. Kind of comes wrapped, I guess, so that it doesn't get damaged. It's just a pair of standard like skinny, almost straight leg almost type of leather pants, and it comes with a slit in front. The slit is a zipper, so if you don't want a slit, you can just zip that up and you have button detailing. There are no pockets at the back, but there are pockets in front. Are they real? No, they are not. They are marked pockets. These are scam pockets, but it's completely fine. It has like real button, belt hoops detailing in front, and we all know this kind of detailing on any pair of pants will make your legs look a lot longer and a lot slimmer, if that is what you're looking for. These are called the faux jogger bottom zipper. It is faux leather and they cost 250 rands. This is called the printed loose pants and shirt 2-piece set. 350 rand for the set. I'm not gonna lie, when I did see it on the website, it looked a lot more nude, and in person it looks a bit more pinkish. I would definitely wear this 2-piece exactly how it is on the website. I love the way it's styled, and I feel like I can also wear the shirt alone with something else, and then I also wear the pants alone with something else. That's the thing that I love about sets so much, is that there's a lot of mixing and matching that you can do, and a lot that you can get away with if you don't want to wear one piece with the other piece. Okay, so obviously your self-care Sunday needs you to come like prepared, right? Candles, bath bombs, body oils, body glitter. You also need the right garments. This is called the lace detailed nightwear. So soft, 180 rand. It comes in white also. The lace trimming, it's got a belt that matches the satin detailing. Summer's also coming up. We can't be wearing our heavy gowns. You need to find something a bit more lightweight that you can throw on and kind of lounge in. And to match with it, I got the lace lingerie inwear. It's sitting in the wash because obviously when you buy underwear, you can't like buy it and then like head on straight to putting it on. It does need to be washed first before you can actually put it on. It did look slightly different to what I saw in the photo. It has like more detailing. The placement of everything is slightly different. The price of the lingerie is 150 rand. My self-care Sundays are sorted, so you need to make sure that your self-care Sundays are also sorted. Those are all of the items that I have to show you guys. I'm so appreciative of the fact that you watched this entire video from start to finish. Thank you so much. Please go and check out other videos on my channel. Got this hair from Shara Hair. I will leave a link in the description box. It just makes me feel so expensive. Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section for any stores that you would like me to try out, but obviously leave stores that are legit because I'm not trying to get scammed. We want to see what they look like, you know, when you order versus what influencers are sent. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching until the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next one.